Welcome to our video on creating a searchable drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Are you tired of scrolling through long lists of data to find what you're looking for? Or maybe you want to make it easier for others to navigate your spreadsheets well. Today, we'll show you how to create a powerful tool that will revolutionize the way you work with lists in Excel. In this video, we'll take you step by step through the process of creating a searchable drop-down list. We'll cover what this feature is, why it's so useful, and most importantly, how to set it up. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own searchable drop-down lists and transform the way you interact with data in Excel. So, what exactly is a searchable drop-down list? Simply put, it's a feature that allows users to search for specific items within a drop-down list. This can be especially useful when working with large datasets or long lists of options. Instead of scrolling through the entire list, users can simply type in what they're looking for, and Excel will automatically find the closest match. To create a searchable drop-down list, we'll start by setting up our data range. Let's say we have a list of countries that we want to make searchable. We'll select the cell where we want to display the drop-down list and then head over to the Data tab in the ribbon. From here, we'll click on the Data Validation button and select List. This will bring up the Data Validation dialog box, where we can specify our data range and configure the settings for our drop-down list. We'll choose the cell that contains our country names and make sure to check the box next to In-Cell Dropdown. Now, here's where things get really powerful. To make our drop-down list searchable, we need to add a bit of magic to our formula. We'll use the index match function combination, which is an incredibly versatile tool that can help us look up values in tables. The basic idea is to create a search term, input cell, and then use this cell to look up the corresponding value in our data range. We'll set up a formula that says, "Hey Excel, find me the value in column, our country names, that matches what I type into this search term input cell." As we start typing into the search term input cell, Excel will automatically update our drop-down list to show only the matching values. It's like having your own personal assistant built right into your spreadsheet. To recap, here are the essential steps for creating a searchable drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Set up your data range. Create a search term, input cell. Use index match to look up values in your data range. Configure data validation settings. Remember, this feature can revolutionize the way you work with lists in Excel. No more scrolling through endless options or manually searching for specific items. Just type what you're looking for and let Excel do the rest. And there you have it. Creating a searchable drop-down list in Microsoft Excel is easier than you might think. Whether you're working with small datasets or massive lists of data, this feature can save you time and improve your productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with searchable drop-down lists, please leave a comment below.